Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix your save data could not be loaded from Rockstar game servers in GTA 5 Enhanced. Super fast and easy, let me show you how. What you need to do here, you just need to go to Documents or File Explorer, then you need to go to Documents here, Documents, then look for Rockstar Games, then you just need to click on it, look for GTA 5 Enhanced, then go to Profiles, and then you should see a PC settings option or profiles basically folder. So what you need to do here is to drag it to desktop here and then launch the game and your issue should be solved. So yeah, that's basically it what you need to do here. If you want to get back your basically not online progress but story mode progress, you can go and put back profiles and it will work. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.